Paris is the capital of France and I'm visiting France.
On so tight, 'cause all that I do was easy to use. So,
Paris has a population of 3 million people.
but you weren't really mine, just something to do. Thought I
France has a population of 60 million people.